As a creator or whatever, if you want to learn anything from a YouTube video, instead of spending long hours watching that video, you can actually summarize that video and transcribe that video with AI tool such like ChatGPT. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 methods that you can use to summarize a YouTube video very fast, so that what will take you like 1 hour video to watch, you will get the idea in just few seconds if you transcribe the text from the video and if you summarize it. That is what I'm about to show you in this video. So make sure you watch this video to the very end. Open your browser and search for YouTube summary extension for Chrome. Click enter. Now click on this first link. You will see something like YouTube summary with ChatGPT and Claude. Just click on add to Chrome. If you look at this icon here, it shows that the extension has been installed in my browser. After installing the extension on your browser, go back to your favorite video you want to transcribe. For me, this is my favorite video. Just an example. I want to transcribe this video. Shaibu, what can I do to earn money online? Shaibu is one of my best creators on YouTube. I've learned a lot from him as well. All his videos are really good. Maybe you can check him out and see what you can learn from him as a content creator. But for me, I love many of his videos. I love watching his videos. His videos are pretty good. So when you are seeing your favorite video you want to transcribe, just come to the top right corner. You see transcript and summary. This is when you have installed the extension. You see something like this. If you click on this arrow here, you see all the text in the video that is being said. And the good thing about this is that you have the timestamps here, and just like that until it gets to the end. This is pretty good, especially if you want to create similar topic like this one on your YouTube channel. You can actually look at the transcript of this video, read it, then you will get an idea, an overall idea of what the video actually look like and what the video is all about. Then you can create something similar like this on your YouTube channel. But don't forget that when you are reading transcripts of any video on YouTube, when you want to create something similar to what is being created on YouTube, don't do it word for word. The transcript is just for you to get an idea of what the video actually look like. And you are going to use your own ways and change some things to make it look original, to make it look real as your own content, right? The next thing I want to do is to click on this icon here. If you look at this icon, this is ChatGPT icon. If I click on this icon, then ChatGPT is going to summarize everything here. Right now, you can see that the transcript is much. If I don't have a lot of time to read this transcript and I want ChatGPT to summarize it, you can go back to the extension here. Click on this icon. This icon is ChatGPT. If I click on it, it will take me to my ChatGPT account and it will just summarize everything in few seconds. So it will not take me less time to consume the whole material in the. This is ChatGPT. This is the script of the video at the top right corner. Then when I click on that icon on ChatGPT, this is what it gives me. Now ChatGPT has summarized everything that happens in the video. Yeah, it's a 5 to 10 bullet points of the YouTube video. Shaibu, what can I do to earn money online? So this is the summary of what ChatGPT gives to me. So let's say you want to learn something from any video on YouTube, or you want to create similar idea on YouTube channel, and the video is like 1 hour or 2 hours long. You can actually transcribe that video and ChatGPT will summarize it for you. So you just have to read the text in few seconds and you just get an overall idea of what the video actually look like. That is amazing, right? The second way to get text from video or to transcribe a video on YouTube is to go to the YouTube homepage. This is the YouTube homepage. Now come down, click on more. Go down again. Then you see transcripts. Show transcript, click on it. It will take me to the right hand side. Then this time click on these three dots, then click on toggle timestamps. These are the transcripts YouTube gave to me. Yes, say intro. Yes, say intro. So I will highlight everything. After highlighting everything, right click, click on copy. Next, go back to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT this. Summarize this video transcript point by point. After that, paste in the transcript of the video, then click enter. Now you can see that this will take me only few seconds to read. Then I will get an overall idea of what the video actually look like. Again, this is helpful if you want to create something similar like this on YouTube. You copy the transcript of the video, you ask ChatGPT to summarize it for you. But don't forget, don't follow any YouTube video word for word. Make sure that you add your own style, you add your own edits, you change some things to make it look unique and natural. I hope that point is clear. And especially if your favorite YouTube video is like 3 hours long and you don't have that time to sit and watch video for 3 hours long, you can actually transcribe that video into text, then read it at your own convenient time. In doing so, you will get an overall idea of what that video is just about in few seconds. So go ahead and give it a try. The final step is to go back to your Chrome browser again. This time type NoteGPT. NoteGPT, click enter. This is NoteGPT. Click on the first link here. NoteGPT is also a Chrome extension. If I come here, it says Auto Chrome. Then if I click on it, it says Auto Chrome here. So when you click on Auto Chrome, it will just add it as an extension to your Chrome browser. This works the same way with the first method I show you. So if you click on Auto Chrome, just follow the steps that I show you in this video. It works the same way as well. So try any of these 3 ways to extract text from your favorite video or to transcribe any of your favorite video for free. And that is all for today's video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Don't forget to watch the next video right on your screen. Bye.